What's up everyone? Starting the video off in the rain today. I wasn't gonna open the video up right now, but we're on our way to Sibaltan from El Nido, which is about an hour ride. And out of nowhere it just started raining. It was a really sunny day. We weren't expecting rain today and we weren't prepared. So we just stopped at a place on the way, some shelter here. I think it's I don't know, a bus stop or something like that, a jeepney stop. Not sure what this place is. Don't even know where we are right now, in some sort of village. So this seems to be like a playground, I guess. Basketball court. And yeah, we're just chilling here.
Yeah, just hoping the weather will be great again soon.
Yeah, hopefully it will pass quickly. It doesn't look good out here. Looks pretty sunny over there though. So we're just gonna stick around here until the rain passes. We've booked a place in Sibaltan, a simple place. We don't even really know what it looks like. We just spoke with them on Facebook. We asked them if they were open and they said yes. So yeah, once this rain passes, we're gonna head there. Pretty close now. I think we're only about 20 minutes away. And then we'll check out the place that we're staying. Yeah, so we've been stuck here over 20 minutes now. Doesn't seem like it's going to be passing anytime soon. We also parked our bike in here as well. in the jeepney stop, because we don't want to get all our belongings wet.
The rain got a bit better now, so we're gonna try to continue our road trip.
We go this way.
This way? Okay.
Hopefully no more rain.
Yeah, hopefully.
Ready?
Yes.
Oh my god. So that was an absolute disaster. We were literally about 2 minutes away from the place we're staying, and just a big like thunderstorm absolutely pouring it down. We're both completely soaked. That's how much it was raining, even with the raincoats. Just crazy. So once again we've just stopped in a hut somewhere. Really ugly bad weather here. And our place is just down there somewhere, but we just wanted to get dry ASAP. Yeah, we didn't come prepared for this kind of weather. So this is the main beach here. Not looking so good right now. We're both really cold as well, because we're so wet. I don't even think the place we're staying has hot water, right?
Probably not.
Probably not. Alright, so we're just walking to the resort now. This is the best check-in ever. A check-in nightmare. We just put these waterproof covers on our bags with our laptops and electronics. Alright, here we go. Classic beach park. Oh my. Yeah. You can see some of the beach huts here. Loads of them. I'm not sure which one we're staying in. You want to put our stuff here and then I find someone?
Okay.
Okay. So I've got no idea where the receptionist is. Maybe in this building. Oh, here's the husky that I saw last time. Hello there. Big kitty. Hello? 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 Calm down. Hello? It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Calm down. Calm down, calm down. It's okay. Yeah, I don't know where the receptionist is. This is mental. Hello? He's friendly if you pet him. Yeah. Fancy seeing a husky in the Philippines.
Yeah, very beautiful though.
Yeah, beautiful. Super furry. Ready for Alaska. Where is everyone though? So we're just waiting now. We found this old man behind us. He was sleeping up there at the top, but the problem is he doesn't speak any English at all, not a single word. So I don't think he really understands that we're trying to stay here. I think he thinks that we might be just waiting here for the rain to pass. So we're just waiting for one of the younger people to appear. I imagine they're around here somewhere, but just because it's raining, they're not coming down here. I don't know. We've probably been here about 30 minutes though, so yeah, we just have to see what happens. I should have told them what time we were coming, more or less. We didn't think it'd be raining or anything, so yeah, had no idea. So you can see this place is right on the beach though. We actually passed this place in our other Sibaltan video. So yeah, whenever we get some sun over the next few days, this will look all nice. No service, you know. Yeah, so still trying to find some other people. Found some ducks. Got a little duck farm over here. Check this guy out too. Whoa. Man, where is everybody? Oh, maybe here, some flip-flops. Hello? Hello? Anyone? About 30 minutes ago.
Yeah?
Yeah, very bad weather. I was speaking with the old man, but he doesn't speak English. The old guy? Your family, the old guy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
We have some animals here.
Yeah, I heard some ducks.
We have a goat.
Goat, ducks. All right. Today is the day of surprises. So we're in the hut now. What we didn't know is that they don't have electricity. So I think the electricity only comes on at 6 p.m. until 6 a.m. So basically when we wake up there already won't be electricity. So I think if we need to charge phones and stuff, we have to go to the reception. And they also don't have any internet and stuff, which that part I'm okay with. I didn't know about the electricity. This is $10 a night, which is probably expensive for now, because obviously in El Nido you got a big fancy resort, right, for like $13, $14. So yeah, that doesn't seem a great price. So we have this balcony, as you can see. Just hung up my clothes there, right on the beach though, which is nice. And then yeah, the room's just really simple. It's like a little nipple hut kubo again. And then here's the bed. Good job the fan is right over it, so yeah, temperature shouldn't be too bad. And that's about it. Not much else to it. So right now the temperature's fine, obviously, because it's been raining like crazy, but we'll have to see how it is during the day. We only decided to book 2 nights, so tomorrow we'll have a full day here. We didn't want to go for 3. We'll have to see yeah, how our stay is here, I guess. So they have loads of other huts around here. As I was walking around, more and more huts keep appearing. So this one looks pretty cool. Got some back there as well, and there's loads all the way around. Oh yeah, also it's a shared bathroom. Obviously we're not sharing it with anyone, so I think the bathroom's actually okay. Let me check it out. Oh, it's too dark in here also. A bit more raw than you were expecting, right?
Yeah, it's like a very backpacker place, but it's okay. We're gonna be here for just a few days, so should be fine.
Yeah, so this is where we're drying our stuff, hopefully. So this is what our little beach hut looks like from the outside. It does look pretty cool though, on the hillside. Alright, Carol, are you ready for challenge number 5 or?
Trying to get food.
Yeah, trying to get food. So the guy just told us that in town all the restaurants are closed, obviously because there's no tourists coming around here. So yeah, we can't eat in any restaurant. He said we can probably buy food and maybe pay them a little bit to cook for us, or even we can cook ourselves. I asked if we can do that, but we might end up just going to another place in San Fernando, which we ate the first time that we came to Sibaltan, because yeah, I think that guy will cook us something. I remember when we spoke with him, he said that him and his family were basically just sleeping in the restaurant, and anyone that turns up, yeah, they'll make food for them, right? Make some money. So yeah, we might just go there.
And the food was good.
Yeah, the food was good as well. We had a pancit. Oh, it's looking sunnier now. Check it out. It's karma, Carol. We've had so many good days during the rain season that this is what happens. Yeah, check this out though.
We usually show beautiful days, but sometimes we have days like this, crazy things happening, and we're just honest to tell what's going on.
Yeah, so probably tomorrow's video will be like a nice exploration day, hopefully. And yeah, today's video will just be a bit wacky. Oh, check out these boat engines or something. Loads of them. Yeah, those have seen better days. Yeah, so we parked our bike here, but we can park it down there in front of our little hut later on. Tell us the good news.
Yeah, I found some internet signal here.
It works?
Yeah, I think so. Well, I received some messages, so I think it works.
Okay. We just got to come down to this little beach then. It's crazy how peaceful it is around here. Not a sound. So I showed you those engines. Check out these broken down abandoned boats also. Looks crazy. I think there's another one behind here. Yeah, there's a few of them. The boat graveyard. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, so we've had to eat in the same restaurant as last time, on the hillside.
Yes, Mom.
Hello. So we just left the restaurant back there. Glad that it was open, and we also got some takeout since we can't find food later, right?
Yeah, so this is gonna be our dinner tonight.
Yeah, so I think overall it was 840 for 4 portions of pancit vegetable.
Yes, and 2 cokes.
Yeah, and 2 cokes. So there you go. I like the plastic bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is just another viewpoint right here. You get loads of nice views on this road around Sibaltan then. And this is San Fernando. And over there you got an awesome island. We wish we could go. It's called Darokatan. They have some cool places to stay there. I think it's more like backpacker, but yeah, it looks like an awesome place in the pictures. And now we're just gonna head back. So we're back in our little hut now. Carol's already passed out.
Almost.
No mosquitoes in there?
No, not inside.
Yeah, these nets always work pretty good. We've been in these quite a few times in Southeast Asia and India. And we also went to a sari store to get some stuff for breakfast tomorrow. We just got this sliced bread here and also 2 cans of tuna. So this was all 120, I think. And since we're in this hut, we also brought this with us, like the incense mosquito repellent. We've used this a lot before as well. And this should keep the mosquitoes away. This video ended up being completely different to what I had imagined in my head before. I thought maybe I'd started off here when we arrive in the sun, maybe even go to an island that's nearby that yeah, we want to try and kayak to. So that's the plan for tomorrow's video. And we're also going to check out some ancient cave. So yeah, that should all be coming up in the next video, hopefully anyway. So if you like this video, just drop a like to support us. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.